store, you know? It was at Best at Last. You know, Best at Last only has clothes. But it does have some Hot Wheels cars, as well as some Matchboxes. Train. Well, this is what happens when you mess around on the railway line. So